just look at me and think, this woman thinks that she is worth so much and that nobody can be with her unless they provide this. Maybe I should demand some respect and honesty and love and loyalty.
I am postpartum, okay? Like, I've been dealing with postpartum depression. I've had a child 6 months ago. I've done everything I could to raise my child, and I just want to be with my child. But this person makes it impossible.
Imagine giving advice to women of how to get princess treatment and how to avoid man cheating on you, how to be attractive, and then ending up with the worst man who is not only a cheater but a manipulator and has completely turned your life upside down. See, we all know that last कुछ month में internet में Wizardly के बारे में लोग बहुत बात कर रहे हैं, and sadly it is not because of what she has achieved but because of the situation she is in. Her fiancé cheated on her when she was literally pregnant. But see, we all know that cheating and stuff are very normal, especially influencers के बीच. But Wizardless के साथ ये होना बहुत ही surprising था because her whole personality was about guiding young girls of how to date the right man. वो advice दिया करती थी कि कैसे you avoid bad situations in relationship, how you should never settle for less. तो ये सब कुछ बोलने के बाद जब उनके ही साथ ये सब कुछ हो रहा है ना, तो people were very surprised. See, हम यहाँ पे victim blaming नहीं करेंगे. Here Wizardless is the victim and no doubt about that. But क्या आपने सोचा that how she actually ended up in this situation जिसके बारे में वो बाकी लोगों को educate करती थी? How being overly materialistic made her choose the wrong man. अगर आपने कभी Wizardless के old videos को देखा होगा तो you would know that Liz ने हमेशा एक चीज बहुत clearly बोला है, that don't date a broke man. And I know very well यहाँ पे by broke she didn't only mean financially broke man but also a man who is emotionally broke, जो lazy हो, जिसके पास कोई ambition ना हो. But she has also made it very clear that she always wanted her man to pay for her everything. Even when she started dating Landon, her current ex जिनके साथ ये पूरा ड्रामा हो रहा है, she said that when he met him she was completely broke and she took money from this man and paid for her therapy, which is kind of weird if you see because 2 साल पहले की ये वीडियो है and उस टाइम तक she was already a well-known influencer. She was earning from all her social media pages. Then I don't know why would she call herself broke, but she did agree that she took money from her man.
My partner that I have right now, he was literally the reason that I could go into therapy. Like, I did not have any money before I met him, and the money he gave me, I took it and I went to therapy with it.
And she wants her man to provide for her everything. And उन्होंने ये भी बोला that don't pay for your man. तो ऐसे बहुत कुछ उन्होंने बोला. Now, is it wrong to expect your man to pay for you? Honestly, it depends. It depends on your mindset and what kind of relationship you have with your man. But always expecting the man to pay for you is patriarchy. See, patriarchal society कैसे बना है कि men are expected to pay for the woman and women are expected to cook and clean for the man. And obviously, feminism doesn't support any of these ideas. Feminism में both genders का equal respect and equal responsibilities के बारे में बोला गया है. Obviously, ये आपका choice है कि आप अपने partner के साथ 50-50 करना चाहते हो या नहीं. It also depends on your partner कि वो किस तरीके से इस चीज को देखते हैं. अगर वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि आप उनके लिए कभी भी पे करो या 50-50 करो, then obviously he is a gentleman. But if you always expect him to pay for everything, then you are definitely supporting patriarchy. And Wizardless was promoting the same. Her every video was about how to make your man do this and that. Like, you know, she was setting a standard for women. She saw herself as a standard of a relationship. उनको लगता था जैसे वो सोचती है वैसे ही हर women को सोचना चाहिए. For example, अभी जब recently उनका ये breakup and all हो रहा था, उस time she uploaded a video saying that women should love money. And यहाँ पे भी उन्होंने बोला कि लोग उनका मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, that she fell for Landon because he paid her certain amount. And it is in a way true. Wizard ने ये खुद ही accept किया था कि उन्होंने Landon से पैसे लिए थे. And इसका reply देते हुए उन्होंने लोगों को बोला that you guys fall for a good morning text, so at least I took money.
Demonize me. Oh my god, she accepted 10k. She folded for 10k. You guys fall for a good morning text. You guys get turned on because a guy sends you good morning.
And you know, let me tell you what, इस single line से आप समझ सकते हो where she went wrong. See, a man can spend money on you if he is rich, but he can spend the same amount of money on 2 more girls because he is rich. So just because एक person आपको expensive gifts भेज रहे हैं, आपको पैसे से spoil कर रहे हैं, इसका ये मतलब नहीं है that he is not doing the same for any other girl. And let's compare it with a good morning text. A person sending you a good morning text says a lot about his feeling for you. A person person is waking up in the morning and his first thought is you, don't you think that's way more attractive than getting an expensive gift? But I feel Liz ने इस चीज को totally ignore किया. She saw all the materialistic things Landon was doing for her. She romanticized dating a rich guy and she thought a person sending her flowers every day is the standard. See, I agree with her on this that don't date a guy who is not ambitious. In fact, I believe that हर person को ambitious होना चाहिए no matter वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Just because a woman is a housekeeper, that doesn't mean she cannot be ambitious. Not being ambitious makes you lazy, and honestly no one should be lazy. So I am with her when she said that don't date a guy who is not ambitious about his future, who doesn't want to be rich. But is that all you should care about? What about the other personalities? You know, अगर आपको लगता है कि wizard से mistake ही तो हुआ है, maybe she could not see that how apparently bad this person was. But अगर आप देखो लैंडन का जो dating history है, that was very much public. He was literally in a public relationship. He was dating this girl and even she exposed him. Maybe ये expose बाद में हुआ, but अगर लीज यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा research करते उनके बारे में, तो शायद पहले ही उनको इस person का true nature समझ में आ जाता. And you know, you expect this from her. She was so self-aware. उन्होंने खुद बोला है that she was so good at knowing people at first sight. She knew her self-worth. If she knew how men react, how men manipulate, why she could not recognize his red flags, which were easily available? Is it just because he was paying for her stuff? Is it just because he was financially spoiling her? And you know, these are very valid questions after looking at her situation. Just imagine आज इस एक wrong choice की वजह से लिज कैसे situation में है. This man is apparently mentally torturing her. वो लिज को अपने बच्चे से अलग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Even लिज ने अपने recent life में आके बोला that Landon don't even have a job. उनका already कर्ज हुआ पड़ा है.
He sold my engagement ring that I immediately gave back, by the way, which I don't fucking care. Take your fucking ring, man. Now he also fucking stole my earrings that he got me. Like, he has no money to take care of the child. He doesn't. He doesn't have a job. He owes people millions of dollars.
तो ये सब अभी आके why she is realizing. Right now she is a single mother. She is going through postpartum, and just because of a wrong choice, she is going through all this. And then she was teaching young girls to how to get princess treatment. And again, this is not victim blaming, but this is about realizing that no relationship is perfect. And if one girl sitting at her home teaching you about how she is living a perfect life, she is having a perfect relationship, you should also expect what she expects from her partner. Should you really blindly trust her? And I think इसलिए हमें कभी भी अपने relationship को किसी और के perspective से judge नहीं करना चाहिए. लिज को लगता था whatever she was thinking is right. She was getting spoiled by money and she thought the guy was genuine. Then he showed his real face. His ex-girlfriend exposed his real face. उन्होंने यहाँ पे एक तरफ से लिज को फंसाया है. Sadly, Liz fell for his manipulation. Today, people are feeling pity for her. But I really hope she get the peace, you know. I can't even imagine what she must be going through. Imagine being a single mother and have to deal with all of this. So what's your thought on this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And अगर आपने already हमारे main channel Savages को subscribe नहीं कर रखा है तो please subscribe that also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Take care.